please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the fam. And if you're returning, welcome back. So today's tutorial is going to be quick and easy. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do hair paddings for bridal hairstyles, because in the long run I'm going to start doing bridal hairstyling tutorials on this channel. So I want to just show you guys the different types of hair paddings I use for my bridal hairstyling, and I want to teach you guys how to do budget friendly hair paddings. So the things you'll be needing are the donut hair pad. This is sold in the market or a beauty supply store. And then we'll be needing a needle and thread. We're needing our scissors. We need our invisible hairnet, wig cap, extension, or you'll be needing your kinky extensions as well. Either of these is fine. For the first step, this is the regular hair paddings you get in the market, but this is quite expensive. If you have enough money and you want to use this, that's fine. You can just go ahead and take your scissors and cut this into so this is the simplest and easiest hair padding tutorial. You can just cut this, and it depends on how big you want your bun to be. You can use it like this, or you can probably cut out of it. This hair paddings comes in different sizes. I think this is the biggest size. There are ones that are smaller than this as well. So it depends on how big your client's bun is going to be, that it will determine the size of hair padding to you. Yeah, this is your first step, but I'm going to be showing you the budget friendly way to make this hair padding as well. So I'm going to take out of this just a little bit, just the right amount. We're just going to be using these kinky extensions. So you're going to take just a little amount, and you're going to go ahead and start wrapping this. Again, it depends on the size of your client's bun that will determine the quantity of extension you're going to put in this. So this is for a regular, this is for a small sized hair padding. I'm going to take my needle and thread. So you're going to start sewing from this. Just watch how I'm sewing. I'm going inward and out. Just sewing it so we do not have any rough edges sticking out of our bun. Again, that's why I like using this the curved needle. The curving is easier in terms of curving this. So we're going to go ahead and continue sewing until we sew around to this part. So this is the first hair padding, and then I'm going to be showing you another type of this using a wig cap. I'm supposed to be using a black color, but I don't have the black one. That's why I'm using this color. Again, you can either choose to use this or this, so let's use this and you'll see it's still going to come out well. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just putting in the hair extension. Yeah, I'm just going to tuck it in and get the right size. You could go bigger or smaller, it all depends on the size of bun you want to do. So yeah, that's what I'm basically doing. After that, I'm going to just sew the mouth together so the extension won't fall off. Yeah, it's self-explanatory. Next, I'll be using my invisible net to create another type of this curved hair bun, and you're just going to watch me tuck it in again and keep on adding the nets. I think I used like 3 nets, so you're going to just keep on adding the net to make it firm, because we're not sewing this one, because the holes on the invisible net is not really going to let you sew it. So you're just going to keep on adding hair nets until it's secure. So these are the budget-friendly curved bun, and I've shown you guys the styles you can use this bun to make. Yeah, next is the round shaped hair padding. What I'm doing here is just basically ruching up the extension and then putting it in the donut piece that I tore out, but I didn't show you guys that part, but basically you understand what I'm doing. So I'm just going to put in the extension and then I'll be sewing it, and also try to mold it with my hands to get the shape that I want. And I'm going to be inserting pictures of what this particular hair pad can make. So here I'm showing you guys another way of making this very round pad using the wig cap as well. Again, I was supposed to use the black colored wig cap, but I didn't have that, that's why I'm using this color. And yeah, basically the same process, and I'm also going to be using the invisible net to achieve the same shape as well. So while using this invisible net, you're going to tie it to secure it well, because you cannot sew it. The invisible net is quite soft, so it's better you tie it so you can secure it very well. That's what I'm doing. So some hairstylists use this to make a regular bun, but I've never tried it, and yeah, so we'll be trying it together on this channel if it works. So the next one is the round shape. I mostly use this for up gel, updo, mostly traditional hairstyle. I also use it for the normal rough curls behind. I used it for my last bride, so I'm going to be having a tutorial on that as well. Then I'll be showing you the budget-friendly round hair pad. It's basically the first curved hair pad we did, I'm just going to fold it into two and then stitch it together, yeah, to form the round hair pad. It's that simple. Again, I use it for traditional hairstyles, updos, even lower bun. So I'm just showing you guys that you can fold the other one to form the shape. That's what I'm showing you guys. And yeah, here are all the hair pads we have. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.